be able to go there and to pray, I just said the rosary, and I remembered the intentions of so many people at home who've asked me to bring their prayers here to St. Peter's today. And there were people in the crowd sobbing, openly weeping. For me, it was sad, but I also felt, the Holy Father had really reached a stage where God wanted him back. And he had done everything he could do. He had made an immense contribution, and I just hope and pray now that he will get his eternal reward for all of his goodness.
It's emotional and quite sad, especially when you see the Holy Father lying in that simple coffin. And when you see a person in the coffin, it brings home the finality of death. And that's always a sad moment. It kind of strikes a chord in your heart.